Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. Today, we're going to discuss a project that we want to institute for quality control in our supply chain. I am your presenter, Darren Banfield, project manager for this project. The, ult the ultimate goal of this project is to increase the quality of our product at the store level. Currently, with the processes that we use and the equipment that we have in place, we have heard from frontline employees that when we have longer check-in times, our product is actually diminishing in quality. This is happening through the ice cream being slightly melted and then refrozen, which we all know creates an icy texture to the ice cream. Although it's not bad product, it does diminish the quality that we at our company like to uphold. This diminishing quality actually affects many stakeholders within our company, our employees, stockholders, managers with the selling of our product, customers, our retailers who sell our product might sell less product if our consumers who enjoy our products don't continue to buy from them. To identify the problem, we took different techniques in doing so. First, we conducted interviews with frontline employees to find problem areas. After this problem area was realized through the interviews, we did a fishbone diagram to pinpoint the different areas where that could cause the problem. Upon finding these areas, we collected data to analyze to come up to find if there was really a problem. First, we collected from frontline employees the temperature readings from before the check-in period and after the check-in period to see if it was within our limits. And then we also collected information on shrink, spoilage that comes out of the back room because of the diminishing quality, the melting factor. Our proposed solution. Since we can directly influence the check-in process because those processes are set in place by our customer, we have to focus on an area where we can influence. And this, we believe, is in the equipment. Currently, our product is taken off the back of the trucks and left in an open environment and open to the elements of the environment. To more influence the quality of our product, we believe if we packaged it in a container that kept it out of the elements, our product would last longer, stay colder longer, and in this case would keep the quality of our product at a level that we want. In addition to product, the equipment, we would also need a training session for our employees to train them on how to better perform the check-in process and to use the new equipment. Timeline. Currently, we are in the presentation phase of our project. We're communicating the problem and the solution to our stakeholders and looking for approval to continue with this plan. The implementation solution is next. We would collaborate with a cross-functional team to implement the solution. We would work with functions such as training, engineering, finance, and marketing, and the field team. The training team would come up with the necessary tools for the frontline and the packaging department to use this new equipment. The engineering team would come up with the proper insulated container for the proposed solution. Finance team would be in charge of obviously of the cost and the evaluation period of return on investment. The marketing team would help us out with communication to our customers and our consumers, and then the field team would implement the solution at the store level. The proposed end date for this project is April 11, 2018. To communicate this project to our stakeholders, us on the project team and leadership compiled this presentation to present to you guys to convey the problem, the solution, and the timeline, and get acceptance of the project. To get to the employees and managers on the front line, our training team and us would create and train the frontline employees and managers on the new processes and equipment so they could utilize it once it's in use. External communications will be for our customers and our consumers. As far as the customers are concerned, the frontline employees and leadership and the communication team will work together to create a brochure of the changes. The frontline employees will present this at store level to the customer to let them know of the changes and why we're doing this for a quality standpoint. And then the account teams will present at the headquarter level so their leadership will know why we are making such changes and we are directed at quality. As far as consumers are concerned, we were thinking that the marketing would be able to use this to convey how much we are focused on the quality of our product, and with this message, they would be able to intertwine it with other messaging of the quality of our product. We could do this through mainly social media, but we could use other outlets as well. After the implementation, we will go into an evaluation period. During this evaluation period, we will analyze new data from the frontline employees on temperature and make sure that it's in the limits. And then we'll also analyze the shrink data to perform a return on investment. Any money saved from less shrink would go directly to the bottom line. After this evaluation, we determine if any adjustments are needed, and if there are any adjustments needed, we will also communicate those findings to leadership. I want to thank you today for joining us in the discussion of our project. If you have any questions, please let me know. If anything comes up later, please contact me. I would be glad to talk to you about it. Thank you.